Organizing your content on TikTok can make a world of difference, especially as your library of videos starts to grow and your followers want more from you. That's where folders, or as TikTok calls them, collections, come into play. If you're looking to keep your favorite videos neatly grouped or want to give your followers easier access to your best content, learning how to create folders on TikTok is a game changer. Let's break down the steps and discover how you can make your TikTok profile more organized, engaging, and user-friendly. First things first, why even bother with folders or collections? As your TikTok journey evolves, you'll likely find yourself saving tons of videos for inspiration, trends, or just for fun. Over time, it can become overwhelming to sift through all those saved posts. By creating collections, you can group similar videos together. Think recipes, workout tips, comedy sketches, or your favorite dance routines. Not only does this keep your content streamlined for your own reference, but it also helps your audience easily find the content they love. Now, let's get started. Open your TikTok app and head to your profile. Tap on the bookmark icon, which is where all your saved videos live. Here, you'll see an option called Collections. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to create your very first collection. Give your collection a catchy name, something that sums up what's inside, like viral challenges, style inspo, or must-try recipes. The name is entirely up to you, so get creative. Once you've named your collection, start adding videos from your saved list. Simply select the videos you want to include, and just like that, your first folder is ready. But what if you want to organize your own TikTok videos for your followers? Right now, TikTok's folder feature is primarily for personal saved videos, not for publicly grouping your posted content. However, you can use playlists if you meet certain criteria. Playlists allow you to group your own videos together on your profile, making it easier for your followers to binge-watch your best series or themed content. To create a playlist, you need to have a creator or business account and meet TikTok's eligibility requirements, which usually include a certain number of followers. If you qualify, you'll see a Sort Videos into Playlists option on your profile. Tap it, create your playlist, and start adding your videos. This is an excellent way to showcase your skills, tutorials, or mini-series, and keep your content accessible and organized for your fans. Why is this important? Organization isn't just about keeping things neat, it's about providing a better user experience. When your profile is easy to navigate, viewers are more likely to stick around, explore your content, and hit that follow button. It also shows that you're a serious creator who takes pride in their work. And if you're looking to grow your brand, this level of professionalism can set you apart from the crowd. At Famety, we know that maximizing your social media presence is all about the little details. That's why we're here to help you every step of the way. Whether it's organizing your TikTok with collections and playlists, boosting your engagement with likes and comments, or providing live support whenever you need it, Famety has your back. We make it our mission to help you shine on every platform so you can focus on creating the content you love. So, take a few minutes today to organize your TikTok with collections or playlists. It's a simple step that can make a huge difference in how you and your audience experience your content. And remember, for everything else social media, Famety is your go-to partner for growth, engagement, and success.